Very good morning, students. I Vijay Dubey is here to teach you economics for class 11th. Student, we had already started our first chapter, that is introduction, in which we had discussed about the economic problems. Now, students, I am going to discuss some more topic, that is opportunity cost. Here is the definition. The next best alternative that is foregone is called opportunity cost. On the other hand, in other words, we can say that it is the cost of shifting from one use to another. It is also called alternative cost. We can understand it with help of an example. Suppose you are working in a bank at the salary of rupees 40,000 per month. Further, suppose you receive one more job in which you are getting 50,000 salary. It means you are shifting from one job to another job, or we can say that you are sacrificing 40,000 for gaining rupees 50,000. Similarly, we can see in the given figure, here are the two goods, good Y and good X. We are sacrificing good Y for good X, means what we are losing for good X, that we are gaining for good X. Now let us discuss some more types of opportunity cost. Student, first one is total opportunity cost. Total opportunity cost refers to the total loss of output when the given resources are shifted from one use to use 2. It means it is the total of what we are gaining from going from one use to another use. Now let us discuss second type, that is marginal opportunity cost. Student, in this figure here we can see that we have two opportunity. Opportunity 1 for good Y and opportunity 2 for good X. We are sacrificing good Y from Y to Y1, and we are gaining good X from X to X1. It means change in loss is equals to change in gain. So let us discuss marginal opportunity cost. Student, marginal opportunity cost. The unit of good Y is being sacrificed for an additional unit of good X, which means the unit of good Y decreases and the unit of good X increases. It is known as marginal opportunity cost. And marginal opportunity cost is also known as marginal rate of transformation. So in short, we will see that marginal opportunity cost as MOC and marginal rate of transformation as MRT. So MOC or MRT equals to change in loss of output of good Y upon change in gain of output of good X. From the given figure, we can make an equation like that. MOC equals to Y and Y1 upon X and X1, or CD upon DE. Or we can say that minus means minus sign shows that there is a loss from good Y. Change in Y upon change in X. Negative sign shows what? Loss. So minus delta Y upon minus delta X, or we can say that minus change in Y upon good change in good X. Now let us discuss next topic, that is production possibility curve. Student, production possibility curve is very important for class 11th. So let us discuss production possibility curve. It is an alternative combination of production of two goods with the given resources and technology. Means production possibility curve can be calculated on the basis of two goods, and resources which we have is same, and there is shift in technology. Production possibility curve is also known as production possibility frontier, transformation curve, transformation line, and etc. Here the some objection behalf of which we can say that production possibility is possible. First one, resources are given, means whatever resources are there, that is given or that is constant. Second, technology must remain constant, means there should not be change in technology. If we are changing in technology, then production gradually increases in one case in comparison of another. Second one, alternative comparison between two goods. We are alternatively comparing between two goods. Now let us discuss production possibility schedule. Here is the table showing production possibilities. Students, we have two goods, guns and butter. Here are the several possibilities in the form of A, B, C, D, and E. In possibility A, we can see that if we are using all the sources to produce guns, then we will see that guns is produced maximum, that is 21, and butter is nil. But in possibility B, we will see that we are using some resources to produce butter, then butter is 1 and guns is 20. In possibility C, we see that butter is 2 and guns is 18. In D, we will see that butter is 3 and guns is 15. In E, we will see that butter is 4 and guns is 11. In F, we will see that butter is 5 and guns is 6. Similarly, in G, we will see that butter is maximum and guns is 0. Means whatever resources we are using in producing one good is simply be used in its production. Now here are the marginal opportunity cost of the several possibilities of these two goods. In first, we will see that there is nothing. In second, we will see that marginal opportunity cost is 1. In C2, in D3, in E4, in F5, and in G6. So student, MRT can be calculated by change in gun upon change in butter. Means 1 upon 1, that is 1, 2 upon 1 equal to 2, 3 upon 1 equals to 3, 4 upon 1 equals to 4, 5 upon 1 equals to 5, and 6 upon 1 equals to 6. These are the several possibilities which are to be seen here. Here is the graph on the behalf of which this schedule should be shown. Now student, let us discuss it with some more points. Here in this table, we will see that here are the several points of PPC which should be shown on it. Student, we will see that point E, that is attainable point, and in E point we will see that resources are underutilized. But in the point A, B, C, D, that is on PPC curve, is to be said that here is the maximum utilization of resources and it is also at attainable point. But F, that is non-attainable point, is not possible with the given resources. So student, this much is for today. Thank you and have a nice day.